In this video, I'm going to show you how you can work with a template that was built with Empower Document Automation. So we'll take a look on the user perspective of document automation in Word. Note that Empower Document Automation can be used in PowerPoint and Word. And generally speaking, document automation enables you to create and individualize a whole document by answering several predefined questions in the document automation wizard. And how you can do this is what I'm going to show you right now via an exemplary template. First of all, I'll navigate the Empower library either by clicking on New Document or on the Library button in the ribbon. Then I select the template that I want to use. Document automation templates have this symbol in the library, and I can either double-click on it or click on Open to start working with the template. As an admin, you have the additional option to edit the template. And if you'd like to get further information on how you can create and edit Empower Document Automation templates, you can find it in a separate video that covers this topic. But I'm going to click on Open as we're going to see the user's perspective in this video. Now you can see that a new window opens up, which is the so-called Document Automation Wizard. This wizard was designed beforehand and consists of different kinds of questions. Some of them have to be answered in order to create the document automation, and these are marked with an asterisk right here. This template is used to create proposals for clients, and to create a document, I'll simply start working myself through this list of questions. The first question is a text input question where I can insert how many licenses should be offered. So I'm just going to type in any number, and we're going to the next question, which is a text input question once again, and I can type in here what the solution costs with that amount of users. So I'm going to insert any random number right here, and the next question is a single choice question where I have the option to choose which customizing should be included in the proposal. So in this example, I'm simply choosing brand control, and we're going to the next question, which is a yes/no question. I can decide right here if I want to display customer references in the proposal. So if I say yes, I want to display customer references, I simply check this box and go to the next question, which is a text input question once again. And here you can see that there's already a suggested answer, which I can use, or I can use another number, for example, 14 days as a payment deadline in this case. Right here I can choose if I want to attach the license contract at the end of the document. I'm going to say yes, I want that. And last but not least, I have the possibility to insert an image right here. So in this case, I could insert the client logo if I wish that. And I can either drag and drop the picture right here or click and then browse the desired file, which would be in this case this exemplary logo right here. And as you can see, it is inserted like that. In Empower Document Automation wizards, you can also use multiple choice questions which are not included in this template right here, but they work quite similar as this ones. The only difference is that you can't only choose one option, but several. Now I'm going to click on Create to create the individualized document. As you can see, this document was created. We see right here the references that were inserted into the document because we said, yes, we want to insert references. Right here you can see the text block for the customizing of the solution brand control because we said we want to insert the brand control solution customizing and nothing else. And right here you see the amount of users and the costs and the payment deadline right here. And here you can see the logo was inserted as well and the license agreement at the very end. So you can see this is how easy it is and how quickly you can create a complex individualized document with Empower Document Automation. And to show you how different the document that I can create with this wizard can look like, I'll quickly go back and simply create another document where I only answer the necessary questions, the required questions. I'm just going to use any numbers right here, and we're going to go with 21 days, and not answer any other questions, and simply click on Create once again. So you can see now we don't have the references, we don't have any customizing information. We only have these few elements in our document. And now you can see the possibilities that Empower Document Automation offers you. And I hope this video helped you to understand how you can create Word documents with an existing document automation template and the corresponding wizard. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.